So what is up, crypto community? Welcome back to Cryptoverse. Today we have a very interesting video. Again, we'll talk about Quant. Firstly, we'll look at the whole market, see how it's doing today. We'll look at CoinMarketCap and look at Quant. And then in the end, we'll look at a tweet from Nick, or the Crypto Crusader, talking how Quant can go up to $1 trillion market cap and how it's entering a big market with its tokenization. But before we get into the video, guys, of course I have to mention that nothing in this video is financial advice, so please do your own research before investing in the market. And if you're new to Cryptoverse channel, please subscribe and hit the bell so you do not miss any further updates on your favorite crypto. So let's get started. So as you can see, guys, the red bubbles are continuing even today. The market, it's still mostly red, with pulls being 40% down, which is actually a lot. Caspa, another future-proof coin that I like, which we haven't talked about in this channel, but I hope we will soon. Is up by 5%. As you can see, in the last month, it's up by 46%. In the last year, 4.8,000%, which is a very good percentage. But we're not interested in these coins today. We are interested in Quant. As you can see, Quant's bubble is also red today. As a difference from yesterday, we are down about 1.6%, or now at the moment 1.4%. But to look at things better, we're going to open CoinMarketCap and see what actually happened in the last day. So we're down actually 1.6% as per CoinMarketCap. Its current price is 110.39. As you can see, after the little bull run from yesterday, we are again back at 110. We're still up by 8.73% in the last week, and up by 2.61% in the last month. But this is again another phase of Quant's bullish behavior, and why I believe it will break out nearly to $100 very soon. And why is that? Because we're seeing signs again, as I said in previous videos, of Quant moving between 110 and 100, and then it broke the barrier and reached 114 literally yesterday. So I'm expecting a little bit of a bullish behavior, or a little bull run very soon, and Quant reaching $400. Of course, this is not financial advice, so please do your own research before investing anything into Quant. Its current market cap is still around 1.3 billion, and the volume is the circulating supply is still at 81.13%. So next, let's look at Nick and why he thinks what he thinks about tokenization, which is directly connected to Quant and its overledger platform. As you guys know, Quant is big into tokenization, and as we've seen in previous videos. So let's see what Nick, or the Crypto Crusader, has to say about it. So he says, take a second to think about the power behind tokenization. So we have real estate, 300+ trillion, equities market, 100+ trillion, debt market, 300+ trillion. Then we have derivatives, 600 trillion, or 1 to 1.2 quadrillion, securities financing, repurchase 4 trillion, securities lending 2.9 trillion, asset management and fund administration 89 trillion. Remember, everything of value will be tokenized eventually. Over the course of the next 5 to 10 years, we will see tens of trillions flowing into this space through tokenization. Focus on the heavy hitters that are creating the infrastructure for this to happen. Some great choices are Quant, XRP, HBAR, and all the others. Drop your choices below. As you can see, Quant is among this list, and based on the videos that we have worked on before, and all the news we have seen before, Quant is very big into tokenization. And with all these news and everything that's happening, I believe that Quant will enter. As you can see, I don't believe Quant is actually entering this market of trillions and trillions of dollars, and that's very, very good for the project. But as he says, it will be over the course of the next 5 to 10 years. So guys, we have to be patient about it. But the earlier we get and buy some Quant, the more profit we'll have by the let's say 2030, which we have looked at before. Also, I haven't mentioned, but as I have seen in the latest news, many banks are being bullish on tokenization. As we know, Quant has many partners, many financial banks that are partners, and financial systems that are banks that are partners with Quant. For example, the Bank of England, and as I've seen, like many other banks are interested in the power of tokenization and the power, as you guys know, of the overall ledger platform. So that is very big news on Quant. But we've reached, unfortunately, the end of the video. So thank you guys for watching. Of course, I have to mention again that nothing in this video was financial advice, so please do your own research before investing in the market. And if you're new to the Cryptoverse channel, of course, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you do not miss any further updates on your favorite crypto. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one.